Okay, so I found this, and I seen this on TV, and I just figured I'd pick it up. It's a little mouse, and you put the cat treats inside there, and they supposedly bat it around until the treats fall out. So, let's see if my cats are interested in this. You want this? You do? You want it? Alright, let's open it. That's what it looks like. And there's just a little tiny bag of treats. But okay, so this little mouse head twists off, and that's where you put the treats in. So I'll just put that many in. And it's ready to go, I guess. So you got one out. Come out.